Sharing this smoky eye evening look with you. I'm going to be going to a holiday party, so I thought I would not only share this look, but I'm also going to share with you how I prep before I apply my makeup. And one of the things I'm using is my Ziip. And by the way, there's a great deal going on right now. I'm going to have everything listed below. I'm going to share all the details with you. Let's get into the video. As I shared in the beginning of the video, I am going out. And so I thought I would show you what I do to prep when I'm going out someplace. Now, normally I do my Ziip in the morning, but I want to do it in the evening to look really refreshed. So I'm going in and using my silver gel, and I'm pumping it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use a spatula that comes in that kit, and I'm just going to apply this on my face. I'm going to do the lift today. And as I am doing this, I'm just going to tell you about some amazing deals that are going on right now. And it's going to be ending soon, so I want you to be able to take advantage of it. One of my favorite is this bag. So convenient. You unzip this, and then you have everything you need. So you get this cute headband, as you can see me wearing in the video. You get the applicator spatula, and it's made of silicone, so you can clean it and it's not going to harbor any bacteria. You get your Ziip in this little case here, so it's going to protect it. It's lined, so it's really soft, and it's going to protect your Ziip halo. Also get two gels. You get the Electric Complex, and then you get the silver gel. So you get this great bag. You have plenty of storage on the side. You have this middle compartment and lots and lots of room in here, even little pockets on the side here as well. So right now is a great time. Think about Christmas. Think about gifts for yourself. Give the gift of glowing, beautiful skin to yourself or somebody else. So you can get the Ziip and the gift set at 20% off using this code right here. Also, the Ziip gels, including bundles, 25% off with the code GELS Annie. So it's that code up there, GELS, ANNE. This is just for a limited time. This is going to expire on Sunday, so you want to make sure that you take advantage of it. This is, like I said, if you already have a Ziip, great time to stock up on gels. If you've been thinking about getting the Ziip Halo, which I highly recommend, now is a great time. You will not be disappointed. I love mine. I've been using it almost a year now, and I have seen huge changes in my skin. There's so much you can do with this, by the way. It's not just toning your skin, it's not just building collagen, but it also helps the tone of your skin. If you have redness, if you suffer with acne, there's treatments for it. Highly recommend it. Now I'm going to wash this off. You always want to make sure that you are cleaning this off. I'm going to use some micellar water to cleanse it off, and then I'm going to show you how I prep my skin, and we're going to get into the makeup. Skin is all cleaned off. Now I'm going to go in and use my moisturizer as my primer today. So I'm just using a little bit of magic cream. I just want to put a little bit of eye cream on too. It's still, prepping my eyes. Now, one thing I'm not going to put on is sunscreen because this is going to be in the evening. So as you can see, this side is already finished. Just have to do my lipstick. Of course, I'm going to do my hair, but let me show you what I did. So the first thing that I'm going to do is my eye look. And I already applied my eyeshadow primer, and I am going to go in and we're going to start on my crease, because even though this is a smoky eye look, I want to still pull my eye up and make it look big. Do you see how big my eye looks here compared to that? And I did go in my waterline, but this really makes my eyes pop. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this brown taupey shadow right there, and I'm going to go right on my crease. And blend it on. What you want to do too is you want to make sure that you are not stretching your eye up too much. Because if you do that and you're just getting it here, then you're not going to see it if you have hooded eyes. So you want to keep your eye relaxed and look straight ahead, and then I'll kind of get whatever's left on the brush and I'll just kind of work it down. We're going to put that aside. We are going to come back to it. Next, I am going to go in and I'm going to take this gray shadow right here and I'm going to apply that to my lid like so. And I want to build it up. Really want this to be intense. So I really want this, since I'm doing such an intense eye look, I don't want to do a bold lip look, as you will see when I get to that. So I get that on really good. Next, I'm going to go in, I'm going to go back to that brown shade, and I'm going to add a little bit more here, and then I'm going to kind of smoke it all together. Blend it all together, smoke it all together, however you want to say it. And I'm holding my brush back. I see people applying their shadow like this. You want to move that hand back because you want to have a light touch, because when you are blending out your shadow, you just want to make sure that you are not putting too much pressure on. You're barely really touching your eye. Now this is where the fun comes in. This is where the fun comes in. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this really pretty silvery shimmer shadow. So pretty. This is what's going to take it from, you know, kind of a dull smoky eye to like a fun holiday look. And now you're going to know why I did not put my foundation on there. I did cover up a little blemish that I had there going on, but I didn't apply anything else because you really, when you do a look like this, you really want to put on your eyeshadow first. Next, I'm going to take a black eyeliner. Take my black eyeliner, and now I'm just going to go ahead and do my tight line first. And don't worry if it gets down there, because we're doing it all the way around, girl. We're doing it all the way around. Then I'm going to take it and get it right up here above my lashes. And then I'm going to do a little bit of a, like a flick, if you will, okay? So I'm just going to do a little bit of a flick. You don't have to do this, but I am going to do it. And don't worry if it's a little bit messy, because we're going to fix it. Remember, we still have to put our foundation concealer on, so. And then I'm going to go ahead in here, my lower line there, but we want to make it, we want to bring it down a little bit, because you see the difference between both my eyes. See how this eye looks bigger than that eye? We're going to bring it down. And don't worry if this looks a little bit, oops, I got an eyelash. Don't worry if it looks a little soppy, because we're going to clean it all up. I'm just going to put some down here. You always have to trust the process. Next, I'm going to take my smudge brush and I'm going to go into these two colors right here. And this is the Rock Shake palette, by the way, from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to go ahead and smudge that out. And again, don't worry about, trust the process, okay? Trust the process. Leave that right now, because now we're going to move on to the next step. We will get back to it. So I want to have a little bit of a glow to my skin. See how pretty and ethereal glowing my skin looks? That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go in with the Dior Star Filter Glow Star Filter. And I'm just going to put this on my fingers today, but you can put it on the brush too. I did not bring my brush in here, but it's okay. You can even mix this with your foundation too. Going in with my foundation, pump it on the back of my hand because I don't want to put too much on. And we're just going to apply it. You don't need a lot of foundation, even for evening. It should really just even out your skin tone. I'm going to work it in with my fingers. Taking my foundation brush now, I just want to make sure that I blended this out really good. But the reason I like to use my fingers is because, especially if you have any large pores, it just really helps to work that product in. And then when I go over it with a brush, I'm just really blending it out so it looks like my skin. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a mask on my face. Before I powder, the next step is I'm going to use concealer. Now I'm going to apply this a little differently than I normally do. And the reason is, I'm going in with Charlotte Tilbury, by the way. The reason is I'm using this because my inspiration was Drew Barrymore's a look that Charlotte Tilbury did on her a couple of years ago. I guess I should have said that in the beginning of the video. But she was my inspiration. I know that she used this on her, and so that's why I'm using this. And this is more brightening. And because this can crease on me, that's why I put it below my eye, so then I can really blend this out, and then I won't have creasing. So I'm just going to keep blending it. And then I'm going to work it on up to my under eye area. And I'm going to clean up that area. See how I clean that up? Where I did that little flick. That's why I said I wasn't worried about that. I really blend it out. I can't stress it enough. And another thing you can do, if you feel like maybe you want too much, take a little tissue like this and just lightly tap it on here and then remove it. And you'll get a little bit of that top layer off. Now I want to go in and I want to set that. I'm going to set that. Then I'm going to set my face. Now, if you're somebody that's has dry skin and you want to set your face but you don't want to look dry, then what you can do is just put some, you can spray MAC Fix Plus over on top of it. I would suggest doing that after you do your blush too. So do your powder, then do your blush, whatever other powder products, and then go ahead and spray that. It's just going to melt everything in. I'm going to go ahead and do my blush now. And I'm going to use these two colors in the Evil Eye palette. Hourglass. And because I want a little extra glow, I am going to go in and take my meteorites. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that on as well. I probably don't need it, but I really want to look glowy and ethereal and all that. I'm going to do my brows. This is like super duper quick. I'm just going to do it with you. I don't normally do it, but I'm going to take my Tom Ford brow pencil. I think it's called Definer or something. Eye Sculpt, something like that. And I'm just, see how easy this is? Super easy. Super duper easy. I'm going to apply my mascara. And there's one more thing that I'm going to do. And I am going to put lots of mascara on, so I won't bore you with that. I will save my lipstick for last because I'm going to do my hair and get dressed really quickly. But one more thing that I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in and take this color right here and just pop that in my inner corner. It's not going to be too bright, but that's okay because this is a smoky eye, but I just want a little extra zhuzh, if you will. And I'm going to keep putting my mascara on, and I'll be right back. I'm going to put some more mascara on. I like a lot of mascara on. I need your opinion on something too. I have this leather jacket on that I could wear, or I have another jacket. So I'm going to show you both. I have a, I think the black looks good with this eye look, but you tell me. So let me get my lips on really quickly here. So I'm going to go ahead and use Super Size Me on my lips. Line them. And the reason I'm using this is because lipstick is very nude. I just feel like I need to have some dimension to my lips, otherwise I just feel like it looks too flush. And then I'm going to go in with Pillow Talk Fair. Is my light too bright? Hold on a second. I just turned my lighting down. I felt like it was way too bright. This is my final look. Now, I'm wearing a leather jacket. Now, I want your opinion, okay? I think the black looks better. I'm wearing this sparkly sequin top. That, and what might have jeans. Or should I wear the pink? I'm going to show you the pink. You tell me in the comments which one you like the best, okay? So this is the pink. I feel like I look like a Barbie. Barbie, look. So which one do you like better, the pink or the black? I feel like the black looks better because my eyes, I just feel like it pulls the look more together. You let me know in the comments below. Don't miss out on this opportunity from Ziip. You only have a couple more days left to take advantage of it. This is fabulous. I've talked about this for so long now, and this set is just so good. So I will leave all of the details below. You're looking for a gift for yourself, or you're looking for someone else, you cannot go wrong with this. Or if you need to stock up on your gels, it is a great time to do that. So thank you so much for joining me. Hope that you enjoyed this video. All the details will be below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.